everybody, and welcome back to a brand new video. So today I'll be showing you how to create your Wix site. So in the last video I showed you how to set up your Wix account, and now I will be showing you how to create your Wix site. So this video was suggested by Unbolted TV. And remember, if you want me to create any videos about something you need help with or anything, just send me an email at simplechhelp@gmail.com or leave a comment on one of my videos. So first thing you're going to do is just choose a template. So I'm going to choose this vintage car garage. I think it looks kind of cool. So click on edit, and it's going to take a while to load it. So here we go, we have the template here, and it's going to show us this Wix video, just kind of introducing us to the Wix editor. I'm just going to X out of it. So here is the entire template we have. So we have multiple pages up here, a menu, and then we have settings, site, everything up here. So I'm just going to start off up here with these three things, and then I'm going to work my way down to all these. And so I'm going to start out with site. You can save your site, preview it, get feedback, publish, all those things. You can also, a nice thing is you can view the previous versions in case you made a mistake. Duplicate it is, just make a copy of it, transfer it to someone else, or yeah, you can also preview it without actually publishing it, and you can also just save your work without publishing it, just save it. And under settings, we can connect domain, get a mailbox, upgrade, which of course they want you to upgrade, and you can do these things, favicon, which is for premium, and then business info, and all these things. Tools is, just things you want to use. So toolbar, rulers, I don't really want rulers. Grid lines are these, and then the snap to objects is just to kind of make sure things align. So first, let's start off with menus and pages. So if I click on that, I have all these pages here, which are the same as what's up here. So I have the home, services, our work, about us, contact, and book online. So you have many options. You can just click on these dots, and you can rename, duplicate, hide, or delete. And then I'm gonna make this a subpage of home. So you can also make multiple subpages and things like that. So let's go to services, and let me clean this up a bit, and then I will, just show you how to add some things. So yeah, now I've cleaned this place up a bit. I took out the background, so it's just the default car background. So I can change the background. I can maybe put in this thing called floating particles to just floating particles. It won't show up in the editor, but when you publish it, it will show up. It's an animated thing. And this is where most of the things happen. It's under add. So we have text. I can put in a heading. Let's put in heading 3. One thing I do like is that it's pretty flexible, and you can move anything basically anywhere. Unlike Weebly, which is pretty restricted on where you can put things. So right click, click edit text, and just say my heading. And I have a lot of options here. I can highlight it and make it bigger or smaller. I can change the font. I kind of like the font as it is, but you'll see there's a lot of different options. Let's go back to this one and change the theme, make it bold, italic, underline, or change the color. Let's make this maybe red, so it stands out pretty bold, and like that. And I can also change the formatting, and if I right click, I can also do an animation, so you can make it bounce in or glide in or something like that. I like this one, float in, and I can also customize it further, change how long it takes, and make it only animate the first time. Can also add again and put in an image. So I can upload my own image, or just for time's sake, I'm gonna put in a free Wix image. So let's see, I'll just put in the ceramics, click add to page, and I can put that maybe right next to my heading like that. Make it a bit smaller. There we go. I can click add again and put in a gallery. So let's just put in this one, the thumbnail pro gallery, and let's put that beneath here. Let's put it there, and then we can move it underneath. So it'll take a while to load. There we go, it just loaded. And let's move it down. Yeah, so it's not in the way of the other one. You can see I have some pictures here there's not much space, but I just want to kind of show you what the possibilities are with this editor. Maybe I'll delete this photo. So Left space. There we go. Okay, so now I have this gallery here, and I can add again, and I can put in a button. Let's put in this light bulb right here, and right click it, click on, you can add change icon. I'm going to click on link, and I'm going to link it to a page. Let's change the page to book online and current window. Click done. Click add again, and I can put in a video. I'm just doing a few things that are kind of highlights of it. So put it here and we can move it to the side. And one nice thing about Wix is that you can access the video feature without having to upgrade. In Weebly, you actually have to upgrade in order to put in videos. So here's a video here. You can put in your own YouTube video if you'd like. Click on add again, and you can see all these things here. You can do members, store, blog, so many things. I'm just going to show you a few. And there's also interactive things, slideshows. You can click and stuff like that. So moving on to the next part, you can go to add apps and just put in apps. So one thing is chat. Chat is basically in the website you can chat with people, customers. Yeah, you can just link this with your website so that people can do this. You have to open your Wix inbox to do that. And there's also an option to upgrade to, put more features into the Wix chat. There's also, you can manage your uploads, any photos or anything you've uploaded. Bookings, this is, just to make your calendar, and so people can book like an appointment or something like that. So you can see in this page, the book online page, let me go there. There's, somewhere you could put in that and then allow people to book. And again, you have to upgrade in order to accept payments, but you can put in, this widget for someone to book. And then we have start blogging. You can add a Wix blog page, which, it's just a blog, so you can every day can put in something new. So you can create a post and, do all that like a normal blog site would be. And you can also change the mobile version, which is something I really like, because I find that my Weebly sites don't look good on mobile because they don't give you an option to customize it just with mobile so that it doesn't look bad. So this is basically the same thing as with the computer. It's just, it's a smaller screen, and it's, vertical, not horizontal. So yeah, you can just change everything like that. And once you're done, you can either save it, preview it, or publish it. So I'm going to publish it. And so here is my Wix site. And one thing I don't really like is that it doesn't give you a custom kind of a domain here. Instead, it has your profile and then / your site. So I just think it's kind of not as good as the way Weebly does it, which is you can change the name of your site .weebly.com and .wixsite.com. And I can click on view site. And you can see there's some branding there. We have the animated dots, and then I have the pictures all loading here, my heading, my link, and the video. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. This is just a quick tutorial on how you can customize your Wix site. So thank you for watching, and again, thanks to Unbolted TV for suggesting this video, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.